Prefixes are word parts that go at the beginning of a word to give it a new meaning, which also creates a new word. Notice here, the prefix pre means before, because the prefix goes before the root word. Okay? The root word is the word by itself without the prefix. So the prefixes that we are going to look at today are pre, which means before, re, which means again, miss. We've learned that miss, dis, and un all mean not, but here we're going to look at it a little more specifically. Miss meaning wrongly, dis meaning opposite, and un is not. So here you are going to pull together the pieces to match the definition to the prefix. We have un and pre, before and not. Here you are going to read the clue below, then type the prefix and root word that matches the clue. So this one is asking you, you're going to create the prefix for it to fill again. So whatever prefix you think means to fill again, you're going to put it together with the root word. Well, I guess they want you to keep it separate. You're going to type the prefix and then type the root word. And then you can just read it all together as one word. Here, we're going to do the same thing for to not be used. To make before. So you'll type the prefix that means before, and then you will give the root word, and then to yourself, or if you want to create a new text box, you can make the word all together. To hear wrongly. Here you're going to click and drag the words into the correct category below. Hence, some words will not belong in either category. So you're going to have this column that uses the prefix pre. This is the column that uses the prefix re. So when you're looking at a word with a prefix, if you were to take the prefix off, you should have your root word, which is a word by itself. For example, made is a word by itself without the prefix pre. Apply is a word by itself without the prefix re. But if we were to take the re off of here, ADY is not a word. And so we know that ready is not using a prefix here. This is just a word on its own. Same here. We're going to find the words that match the column for miss and for dis. If I were to take the MIS off of missed and I just have SED, sounds like the word said, like she said that, but that's not how we spell it. So this is not using a prefix. That just still happens to be the way it's spelled. Here you're going to answer the question below by clicking and dragging a check mark onto the correct sandal. Which word uses the prefix un as in the word undo? Which word uses the prefix re as in redo? Which word uses the prefix pre as in the word preview? Which word uses the prefix miss as in the word misspell? Which word uses the prefix dis as in dislike? Here you're going to click and type the meaning of the underlined word in the sentence using the box below. So my sister was displeased with the taste of the watermelon. So what is the meaning of the word displeased? Brandon was sad when he misplaced his sunglasses. So what does the word misplaced mean? You're going to type it here. Next, Jessica needed to untie the laces on her new roller skates. Angel was able to refill the lemonade pitcher when it was empty. Dad wanted to prepay for the beach umbrella. Here you're going to read the story, write each word you see that has a prefix. Then write the meaning of that word. Okay, so you'll find all of the words. For example, the word displeased. You would type it here because it has the prefix dis, and then you're going to type the meaning of the word. Same here and here. After you've completed this, you will move on to your read aloud and then your reading assignment. If you have any missing assignments, please make sure you work on those after today's work. If you have anything that is below a 70%, please make sure you do your redos for that. And as always, if you have any questions, I will be live every day from 1:45 to 2:40 on the Meets link. Have a good day.